Hi everyone! Today I'm demonstrating the easy twist-off packaging innovation of Berkley's award-winning NanoFil. It is packaged in Natralock, a secure and sustainable packaging solution from Midwest Vaco. To open this innovative packaging, simply hold the card by one hand and twist the blister counterclockwise to release it from the card. Separate the blister from the spool, and now you're ready to fish. When you're done, simply pop the spool back into the blister, rotate it clockwise on the card until it clicks, and that's it. Because of this reusable packaging solution, your fishing line is free from knots and tangles and can be used over and over.